Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average guy trying to be consistent, and this video is basically just gonna be me giving you guys some practical guide on how to actually be consistent. I want to be the best at, helping people be consistent at doing their things. That's why I try to rehearse consistently. And also, one of my biggest achievement in being consistent is that I currently have a more than 166 days straight morning push-up streak fully documented on my Instagram. You can just check it out. And hey, I want to say thank you. If you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things like exercising and studying and practicing your art, literally anything, well, hey, I want to say thank you because, well, thank you, thank you for actually caring about your life. Because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. So there won't be much editing applied to this video, but I hope you are going to be one of the serious ones that actually stick till the end of this video. And hey, this is April 26, 2025, and this is gonna be day 292 of consistently helping people build consistency. So yeah, again, this is gonna be a really practical video. I'm not going to give you guys any motivational speech because I don't really think that I'm on a position to give you guys some motivation. And also, like, motivation comes and goes, right? So I'm just gonna be giving you guys some practical steps that can actually, hopefully stick longer, right? And really applicable. So, three practical guide on how to be consistent. First thing first is to basically limit all the distractions that you have. In fact, all right, not only that you should limit your distractions, you need to use that distractions in order to help you stay consistent. Okay, so let me explain. Here's the thing. Notice that one of the biggest problem why we cannot be consistent at doing something is that because we say to ourselves that, hey, you know what? I'm really tired. I don't have any time. I don't have any energy. Okay, to do my exercise, to do my studying. Okay, I don't have any time. Like I'm not going to be doing those things. But at the same time, okay, we doom scroll on social media for hours and hours. We spend our time, watching some series, watching anime, for hours and hours every single day. Well, I'm not saying like, watching series is bad or maybe, watching animes is bad. No, in fact, I watch anime and I watch series every single day. And I believe, if we keep it on a healthy level, it's going to be good. It's going to be healthy because, hey, we need some entertainment, right? We need some, what do you say? Refreshing, right? We should not, like work ourselves 24/7 and basically have no entertainment at all, right? So I believe entertainment is going to be healthy if we keep it up on a healthy level. So the problem actually doesn't lie in the entertainment itself. It lies on the way how we consume it. Okay. Well, there's nothing wrong with entertainment, but it is something wrong if we spend hours and hours just scrolling through social media, watching some shows, and those time, right? We enjoy so much entertainment to the point that we do not have the time and energy anymore to do the thing that we should have been doing, right? Like exercising, studying, and stuff and stuff. So again, as I've mentioned before, actually some healthy level of entertainment is healthy because yeah, our brain needs some refreshing, right? Refreshment, some entertainment, okay, to just rest a bit, relax a bit. But and the thing here is that our brain really craves entertainment. And basically we can actually use it in order to help us stay consistent. So basically we are going to limit our entertainment and at the same time use it in order to help us stay consistent. We are going to use this entertainment as an extra motivation. So let me explain. Here's the thing. The thing that we are going to be doing here is that we are going to be creating a 60 to 15 productivity entertainment ratio. So what does this mean? This means that every 60 minutes that we spend doing productive things like exercising, studying, practicing some art, practicing some sport, then, okay, every 60 minutes we spend doing productive things, we are going to allow ourselves to do 15 minutes, to enjoy 15 minutes of extra of entertainment, like, watching some anime and watching some series and maybe doom scrolling. So how does this help us in order to be consistent? One is that this help us because we are going to have more time and more energy to do the productive things. We cannot just, uh, you know, binge watch entertainment for 5 hours, right? Five hours straight. Okay, because that means we need to, be productive for 24 hours. Okay, we and it's not really mathematically possible actually to, you know, have 5 hours of entertainment and 24 hours of productivity in one day. You get what I mean, right? So basically, this mechanism, this system is limiting ourselves to do the entertainment, right? To do the entertainment, and it gives us more room, right? More energy, more time to do the productive things. And in fact, in order to be able to do the entertainment stuff, we need to do the productive things first. So this way, the probability of us, having the excuse of, oh, you know what, I don't have any time and energy. Meanwhile, we scroll on TikTok for hours and hours every single day. The probability of that happening is going to be lower because of this mechanism. That's the first reason how this mechanism help us to stay consistent. But the second reason why this mechanism is going to be, beneficial in order to help us stay consistent is that precisely because of this mechanism, right? This mechanism is going to make the entertainment part even way more enjoyable, because now the entertainment is going to feel like, something that we work hard for. It's going to feel like a reward for actually working hard. Oh yeah, you know what? I've done 60 minutes of studying, focused studying. Well, now I deserve some entertainment. Okay? The entertainment actually feels good because, this is my hard work. Comparatively, when we don't have, right, when we don't have this kind of mechanism, we can just like binge watch some show for 6 hours. Okay? It might feel enjoyable, but, you know, we are going to, big chances, we are going to feel some sense of guilt because, we watch 6 hours of entertainment that we like, but at the expense of not doing the thing that we should have been doing, like exercising and studying, right? Comparatively, when we have the system, one, we are going to be feeling like, oh, you know what, I've done my hard work. But two, not only that we are going to be feeling that, we are also going to be feeling that, oh yeah, this is something that I work for. This is something, this is a reward for my hard work. And three, we are not going to be feeling like, oh, you know what, I still need to do this, to do that, to do that, to do this, to do that. I still have this responsibility, blah, blah, blah. Because before we do the entertainment, we have already finished our responsibility, like exercising, studying, and stuff, right? Well, yeah, yeah, we might have another responsibility that we have not solved yet, that we have not, you know, managed yet. But you get my point, right? At the big picture. So that's the first thing. And then the second thing, the second advice that I'm gonna be giving to you how to stay consistent is to basically ask for the support from your friends, from the people that actually care about you, right? Maybe your family, maybe your friends, okay? The people that actually care about you, about your growth, the people that actually wanted to, you know, see you be happy, see you progress. Just tell to the people that actually care about you about the thing that you wanted to be consistent at, and also tell them what are your reasons. Why do you want to be consistent at exercising? Why do you want to be consistent at studying? Okay, tell them the urgency, tell them your reasoning, tell them your feeling. Okay, just be completely honest with yourself. Okay, so for example, oh yeah, bro, I really want to be consistent at exercising because I want to be healthy. I do not want to, I do not want to look bad in the mirror. I want to look good in the mirror. I want to be respected by my friends. I want to, also inspire my family to also exercise. I want to be that healthy grandpa in his 80s, still being able to be active and, do some sports. I want to be that cool grandpa. Basically, just be honest with your friends. Tell them your reasons why you want to be consistent at some certain thing. Sorry, why do you want to be consistent at some certain thing? Okay, so why is this effective? One is that when we tell people the urgency, right, we kind of also remind ourselves about the urgency. Why do we want to do something? But two, when we just tell our friends, the people that actually care about us, our family, right? People that care about us, okay? Um, like these people, the people that actually care about us, they are going to be having the expectation that we are going to be consistent at doing that particular thing because they want to see us be happy. They want to see us achieve the goals, achieve the, fulfill the reasons that we say that we are going to achieve, like we want to achieve. Oh, yeah, I want to be healthy. Okay, I want to be healthy. I want to look good. Okay, the people that actually care about me, they want me to be healthy, right? By doing the thing that I say that I'm gonna be doing, like exercising, studying, oh yeah, like healthy and smart. Okay, exercising, studying, and so on and so on. Okay, so basically, when people have the expectation to you, you are going to be feeling like, oh, you know what? Yeah, this person, like my friend, I've told my friends about my reasons. Okay, why do I want to exercise consistently? Okay, and they are supporting me. They want me to be consistent. And you know what? I don't want to disappoint them. Well, you know what? Yeah, I want to make them see me. I want to make them see me actually be successful at being consistent at exercising. And hopefully, I can also inspire them to also exercise consistently and we can be healthy together. Okay, so that's the second, that's the second, the second advice that I give. Okay, the first advice is to limit and utilize your entertainment, right? And secondly, the second advice is to tell your friends, the people that actually care about you, about the thing that you wanted to be consistent at. And the third advice here is to basically just put on an alarm. Okay, put on an alarm to to tell yourself when are you going to be doing what. Okay, so for example, you want to be consistent at exercising, set on an alarm at 5 a.m. or maybe like uh 10 a.m. or maybe like 5 p.m. Basically, every single time the alarm rings, it's going to show you a sign to exercise, right? So notice one of the biggest problem why we cannot be consistent at doing something is just basically we just don't know when are we going to be doing that thing. We say inside of our head, oh yeah, I'm gonna be doing it after school. I'm gonna be doing it after dinner. But in reality, we always procrastinate, 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 procrastinate. We say to ourselves, "Oh, you know what? I'm already exhausted. I'm just gonna be doing it tomorrow." And then the tomorrow, the same cycle happen, the same and again and again and again and again. We do not want that to happen. So basically, just create a clear indicator. Sorry, create a clear sign when do you want to do your thing? When do you want to do your studying? When do you want to do your exercising? When do you want to do your meditating? Okay? And one way to achieve this is to basically just set on an alarm. Really simple. And here's the thing you do not want to just, have the beep, 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 boring beep, beep, beep sound. Okay? You want to have something motivational as your alarm tone. Okay? You do not want to have the boring beep, beep, beep alarm tone. Okay? You can change it into one, either it's your favorite motivational song, or two, favorite motivational speech, okay, as your alarm tone. So this way, even on the days when you are not feeling motivated, right, you listen to the alarm tone, the probability of you actually getting motivated is going to be higher because you are going to listen to the, music, to the song that motivates you, to the, to the speech that motivates you, right? So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and join our Discord if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can also what do you say? Support my work at Gumroad by buying me a coffee. And for today's date authenticity post, basically just showing that I record this video on today's video, today's date. Today is April 26, 2025, and Mimzar posted a how to stop stressing about tasks post last 24 hours, GMT plus 7. But just saying, this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days or even more days later because, I need to edit this video first. And yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.